Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is Skin Beauty Flares, Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. Here is AI and EPS. Here is PSD, but these are protected password in this app by now for lifetime. And iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Here is my Facebook page, join me. And last is my Telegram channel, Sheri Official. Subscribe this for latest notification of any video or any update. Okay, first check preview. So you can change or customize your photo, write anything, or you can provide your contact information. Okay, so open PSD files. You see here, and you can change anything in Photoshop, and here is AI and EPS file. You can edit everything in Adobe Illustrator. You need PNG, and here is a photo frame. Here is logo, text, social media, design, image, and last is background. Okay, here you can change or customize image. Okay, I hope these are useful for you. I say again password in this app. Take care, Allah Hafiz.